Okay, this is your decay practice worksheet, and the first section is types of decay. And if you'll go back to your notes and look under alpha, beta, gamma, and you look at those element symbols, if we have alpha decay, what are we going to see? We're going to see what we call a helium nucleus in our reaction. If we have beta, we're going to see what we call an electron emission. Okay, so looking at your reactions, you're now going to determine, do you see the symbol for alpha or beta? And then you'll write alpha or beta underneath each one. Okay, let's look at some actual reactions here where you're going to fill in the blank. Okay, so here we have tungsten, and it says it's undergoing decay, and it's going to decay into helium plus what? How do you figure this out? Okay, so it's just a simple math problem. Think of this arrow as like an equal sign. So 184 equals 4 plus what number? Well, simple math tells us it would be 180. 4 plus 180 equals 184. 2 plus what number will equal 74? 72. Okay, and let's remember, looking at these, the top number is always your mass, and the bottom number is your atomic number. Okay, so now we're going to find atomic number 72 on our periodic table. We go to our periodic table and we see hafnium. All right, 72 hafnium. So we're going to take that element symbol HF and we're going to put it here. All right, now let's look at the next reaction. All right, and by the way, when you're looking at that, what kind of reaction is that? Alpha, right, because we see helium nucleus. On this one, though, what do we see? We see that electron emission, so that's going to be beta. And what's happening here? We have carbon, and he's going to undergo beta decay, and he's going to release an electron plus what? Well, again, let's think of it as a math problem. 14 equals 0 plus what? 14. And here's where everybody messes up. 6 equals -1 plus what number? And everybody puts 5. But if you think about that, 5 minus 1 is not 6. So the answer is 7 minus 1 equals 6. Who is element number 7? It is nitrogen. So we're going to put nitrogen right there, and there's your reaction. So I want you to fill up these other reactions here with the correct symbols. All right, so here you're going to write a reaction, and it's undergoing beta. We already know the symbol for beta, so we'll put an arrow, and then what are we going to put in that place? We're going to put our electron emission. All right, plus what? All right, again, just write out the reaction like you did from up here. All right, this one's undergoing alpha. Again, what's the symbol for alpha? Plus what? Fill out the reaction. Okay, do this. Down here, we've got word problems, but we're doing the same thing. It says we're going to, or what is the name of the product isotope formed when radon-222, so again, this is my mass, decays by alpha decay. So we'd have to find the symbol for radon. He's number 86. What goes on top? The mass from here. He's 86 and he's undergoing alpha. So we're going to continue that reaction. Same thing here. We've got thorium-234. He's going to undergo a reaction. And we're going to figure out the rest of the reaction. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.